it, and we lost every one. Oh, we won games individually, but we won mill. We won it by using mill. We won one berry, but it was like very by the hair of our teeth. Actually,
yeah, I think
that's not the proper saying. I don't think that's the right way. Hair of the teeth.
I feel like 2 mil for us on this map is hard, just because we're
bottom berries.
Okay. I'll get up.
blue tops. Oh shit! I'm sorry, Cat.
They're going 2 mil and they got a sword and board. Fuck, I'm down.
Alright, I'm getting up. Oh my god, how did I miss that berry? I'm up. I'm up. We're one.
Alright, both swords down.
They got mace.
Oh shit.
Mace down.
I did a berry for them.
They got another one coming out.
fuck's
They got a
sake.
gun. He went gun.
Gun down.
We're up on objective.
They got 2 maces, or they got a mace. What am I saying? Speed mace.
Speed mace down.
Nice. How did he get me? I'm down.
Sword coming up.
We need 2 berries.
I'm going sword and board.
Ah shit.
I'm up. I'm up. They got 3 on top, 2 on the bottom. Oh wow, I'm already down.
Help escort me, Cat. Go the other way.
Okay, they're wiped.
Nice. I felt like I won a lot of mill battles. It was like way too many. That I got. I mean, I wouldn't say I got lucky, but I feel like they made mistakes. You know.
Gotcha.
You can't like count on that to happen again.
Yeah,
basically.
I can't.
Alright. Yeah, I'll go. I'll get rid
I'll
of the
go
middle
right.
berries, yeah. And then get up
Are you on
mid.
it?
Yeah, I'm going mid. Ah shit.
I'm getting bombed.
They want the middle berries.
We have 2.
There's a berry in their hive.
He's dead.
Ah,
I'm gonna ride.
there 2.
Or 2.
Alright, I'm gonna try and guard these bottom gates.
Wow, rushed it, dude.
We're 3.
Did you find it?
They went 3.
Oh, good job.
Yeah.
Time to attack.
Oh, double kill, baby!
Gee, snips!
And I'm just blowing it now. Alright,
Oh
we're
shit.
wiped.
So, Turquoise threw a berry at microwave and he ran straight into my maze.
Oh my god. That's happened to me multiple times in that tournament.
So, he was supposed to throw a berry at,
The hive.
into their hive, yeah. And he
Really?
missed and...
Are you recording these?
Yeah.
I can get bottoms.
Okay.
Wait, should I get up? Should I get up?
I got up.
I'm doing horrible. I made 1 berry so far.
Alright, yes, sir. Careful.
Yeah. Ah, shit.
No, I mean, like, don't go down. It's okay.
I'm down.
It's okay. Alright, swords down.
Ah, shit.
Okay, got rid of their base. Come on, guys.
Alright, I'm up on sword.
Alright, come left with me.
They're 3 out.
4 out? No. Is it 4 or 5? I can't count.
Or 4 out. Or 3 out.
They're 2. I'm down. I'm down.
2. 1.
Oh, I missed that. Wow.
Alright, there.
Ah, shit. Yeah,
oh my god.
bad.
I
Yeah.
should have had that throw too.
It's the confusion, I guess.
We screwed up our beginner, and that's not something that happens often with us. So that,
Yeah, like I didn't know if I was getting up or.
Mm,
if
yeah,
you would
yeah.
go up then.
it was my bad.
It's just
yeah.
like a group.
Yeah, Bolto, you get up. Since you'll be the ledge, I guess it's good practice. Since I won't start.
I'm out. Nice.
Gun in the hut. Nice, good job. Sorry.
Wow. Nice
Nice.
trade. Nice trade.
We're.
Stay there.
Alright, Jesus up.
I did not get punished well on the last. We have 1. What's their objective? Just kill me, right?
Yeah.
Backdoor.
Berries.
Alright, I'm gonna backdoor again. Oh
Watch
shit,
out for
never
the
mind.
gun.
I'm down. We're wiped.
Gun, sword.
I got a reverse dash.
Yeah, we need
kill
3.
Adam.
Ah shit. Alright, we need 2.
I'm out.
Good, thank God. Is a mace coming? Alright, they're going all out.
Ah shit. Okay, I'll backdoor
Sword down.
Bolto. Backdoor. Ah shit. Yeah.
He's on last. I'm down.
Oh shit.
We'll get it. It's the.
Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah, my bad.
So hard, dude.
I don't think I ever tried to get up.
No, I mean it's okay. I mean, we were so close. We could have transitioned to snail maybe, but maybe we didn't have enough mill. I mean, it's okay. We can look at the film and see what we could have done. It's okay. All right, I'm going underneath the mace to farm their workers.
Sounds good. I'm up mace.
I'm out. I'm out. We got 2. We got 2. Yeah. Oh, I should have had him. Ah, I missed him again. I'm down. We're 1. We're 1.
Okay, they're down to 1. Okay, they're wiped. Nice. Okay. Yeah, they're wiped. Cheese, get up. I'll just ride.
We're 2. We're 2.
I'm on last now. We're 2. We're 1.
We're getting one over, right?
Oh my god, what?
We got a
I'm
I'm
up
down.
mace.
I'm down.
Full top.
We're good. We got a
Okay. They wiped. I'm down the fuck. I got greedy. Right, I'm up.
We got 2.
Ah, fuck, I'm down.
We have a sword.
Let's go to top.
Okay, nice. Got it up.
Nice, good job. Sorry, I was stupid.
Yeah, step top. Till we got mace. Alright, we're two.
Yeah, they keep going fully.
Oh,
And
that fucking speed mace, dude. Damn it.
Ah, fuck. Okay.
Hold mid, hold mid, hold mid.
Alright, took out one.
That was a really lucky bomb.
Oh, wow.
Even
Oh,
yeah.
damn it. Yeah, we did pretty well. I mean, I died a little too much, but I think we did well.